Hi, this is Jason with Revant Optics. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install new THRU bolts in your Oakley Racing Jacket sunglasses. You might want to do this if you want to customize the look of your sunglasses with a new color. To replace the THRU bolts on your Oakley Racing Jacket, you're going to start out by finding a solid surface, something that you can work on, and if the THRU bolts fall out, then you can easily find them. You'll turn it over, you'll see there's two THRU bolts on this particular frame, one here, one here. You'll need a T20 screwdriver, and go ahead and take your pointer finger and push on the front side of the THRU bolt, and then use your T20. Usually like to fold the arm down just to get a good angle on it, and turn left. And you'll see the THRU bolt coming apart there. Pull it right out, and then the front, sometimes it'll pop out just like that, or if it doesn't pop out, you can use the T20 to push it out through that hole. And then to install new THRU bolts, you actually start with the backside first, so this part, and you go ahead and push it. It'll take a minute to find the right angle, but once you do, you push it in there, and it should be fairly flush with the back of the frame. And then we'll turn this around, and with the front, go ahead and use your thumb there to push that in, and then I'll just start finger tightening it. You don't want to cross thread these, obviously, so the easiest way is just to start with your hands here and find the right angle. It does take a minute. There we go. Oh. So once you get that in place at the right angle, it'll kind of sink in a little bit, and then you just turn to the right, get it started. Once you get that started, you come around, again, fold the arm down and put the T20 in the back, and then hold the front like this with your finger. Just turn to the right. Feel that tighten easily. And you just want to do finger tight, so don't over tighten those, because again, you don't want to cross thread at all. And then should be, it'll be a little bit raised from the front of the frame, but solid there, and that's what keeps that jawbone arm in place like that. You might want to consider replacing your THRU bolts if you have any issues with just scratching, or you just want to change up the color to customize your sunglasses. And that's how you remove and install your Racing Jacket THRU bolts. Thank you for watching this installation video. We'd love to see how your sunglasses look with your new THRU bolts. So go ahead and take a picture of them and post it to any one of our social accounts and hashtag Revant Optics. We have Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. If you have any questions about the process or questions in general about your frames, feel free to shoot us a message at support@revantoptics.com, and we'd be happy to help you out.